Director for Marketing Strategic Partnerships, Shella Flores. And of course, Chief Sustainability and Corporate Communications Officer, Yoli Crisanto. And now to facilitate our Q&A, may we call on stage Assistant Vice President and Head of Marketing Communications, Ms. Bea Villamor Webb, and Senior Director and Head of PR, Mr. Chito Maniago. Alright, so it's gonna be a packed Q&A show. Just a few reminders, please encourage all of you to join the conversation. Raise your hands so our stage managers can approach you with a microphone. Before you ask your question, please introduce yourself and your media affiliation. So Bea, Chito, guys, take it away.
Alright, thank you very much. Good morning, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Isang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan. Bea, my friend, good morning. Una sa lahat, narinig natin si Ma'am Yoli. We thank all our media partners joining us today, and I'm happy to share we have around 69 media friends on site. Ayan, what a beautiful
Amazing. Thank
number.
you so much for joining us today.
And around 31 from Vismin. So muli po, maraming salamat for joining us today.
Yes,
My
we
friend.
feel the love even over Zoom. Thank you.
Okay, so at this point, we will open the floor for any questions, of course, from our media partners and friends. Huwag po tayong mahihiya, di ba? I'm sure, Bea, napakarami ng mga thoughts and
Yes.
insights ng ating mga media partners. So siguro, I'll go here sa floor, Bea.
Yes, the floor is open. So I think Chito, you will rove.
Yes, I will.
Chito ang ating roving mic for today. Thank you, partner. Alright, any questions? Anything you would like our speakers to expound on?
Hi, good afternoon. I just have a question. First and foremost, Elijah from the Philippine Star. This is for Ms. Baldos. I'm curious about the Go Plus product with artificial intelligence package. How did you develop the product? What are the inclusions in it? And is there some security measures in it, given there are threats of misinformation, of unethical use of AI in this bundle? Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you for the question. Of course, we looked at what our customers, the young Filipinos, need today. And we know that more and more are actually using AI for studies. So I think the number is at about 63% now of students using AI for school. So we looked at that and we developed the product with that in mind. So first, we're starting with Canva as our first partner with an AI tool that we are including in Go Plus. But we're looking to add more partners, and you can watch out for those in the coming months. So for Go Plus 99, the inclusions would be 8 gig of data for all sites, another 8 gig for your chosen content freebie, so that's for the apps that you'd like to use. So Canva specifically will be on Go Share, or that includes social media apps, and also on Go Learn, which includes apps for productivity. It also includes only all net text, and that's good for 7 days. In terms of on your question on looking for the partners, so to ensure security and safety for our customers. So of course, the vetting process that we go through to choose the right and the most relevant partners is in place. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anna. It's very insightful, the entire thought process. And thank you for the question, Elijah. Actually, we stand corrected. Our Corpcom colleagues are already on the floor.
Yes, and Jomel and Jerry, dahil marami tayong mga katanungan from our media friends.
So, hindi na kailangan maging roving mic si Chito.
Yes, please, Jerry. We have
Hi, Chito. Hi, Bea. I have our friend from Manila Bulletin.
Hi, good morning. For Bob Reyes, Manila Bulletin Tech. For Miss Beth, I may have missed it earlier, pero how will Globe's G-Fiber, FTTR, Wi-Fi 7 and XGS phone specifically address the challenges for home connectivity and what is the differentiator?
Yeah, thank you. Can I have your name again? Sorry?
Bob Reyes po.
Bob Reyes, thank you for your question. Yeah, so Globe's G Fiber plan actually, talks about the whole ecosystem. No, we're providing more than the speed. So with the FTTR, Wi-Fi 7, and XGS PON, we actually deliver the promise in terms of speed. At least the basic need for that speed is being provided. For example, you prescribe for a 1 Gbps speed. All throughout the corner of your home, even at your comfort room, you will get that kind of service or experience. And because, of course, when you talk about G Fiber plan, it comes with other value services, right? Like you'll have VIP premium servicing. You also have the likes of, our partnership with Disney and Blast TV. So it's really beyond connectivity. It's providing the total value experience for our customers, and I believe that's a digital differentiation. And additional differentiation for our G Fiber plan. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you, Manila Bulletin friends, for joining us today. Okay, we have another question over here.
Yes, Chito, our next is our friend from Mrs. Miller.
Hi, good morning. I'm sorry, I don't know who can answer my question. With all these developments, the new partnerships, the new solutions and products, how would this help buoy Globe's net income for the remainder of the year? Will this have any effect, or are we expecting these to take effect next year pa? Thank you.
Parang lucky draw. Lucky draw? Okay, Lawrence, obviously, we are in the business of connectivity, right? And one of the things that are really, really important to us is to make sure that we are able to meet our customers' needs. And that is why all these product offers, all of these innovations, is all about meeting the customer's needs. Now, if we are able to meet our customers' needs, customers will prefer us over competition. I understand where you're going. Alam ko. And we did say that we are obviously expecting a more competitive environment next year. Diba? We all know what's happening at the regulatory front, right? And having said that, I will defer to what our CEO said when we say we will not take any competition lightly. And that is why all of these innovations are being done to be able to meet customers' needs and to be able to compete. Right? Yan naman talaga what Globe is all about, right? Globe has always been about innovation. Now, to your question, will this buoy our bottom line? I will speak for everyone here. Siyempre, part to ng task line namin. Ikaw naman, di ba? Why are we doing this? Obviously, to gain revenue, right? When we have an entire slew of products and services, we want better share of wallet from our customers. Yeah? And at the end of the day, that will redound to, hopefully, to our bottom line. Did that answer your question, Lawrence?
And actually, we also have a surprise special
A
guest.
very special guest. Ayan. Before we proceed with our questions, we are here, of course, no? Maraming salamat po to our President CEO, Carl Cruz, for joining us today. Sir, magandang umaga. Thank you for your vision and leadership. Ayan. You'll ask a few words from Carl later on. Thank you, sir, for joining us today.
Thank you for joining us, sir. May mga lucky draw questions po kasi. So, baka po gusto niyo mag-lucky draw.
Alright, let's proceed. Talagang napakarami nating questions. We have another question right now. Thank you, Jeric. Yes, please.
Yes, we have another friend from Business Mirror.
Hi, Globe. Afternoon po. James Orlando po, of Business Mirror. My question is for Ma'am Katie. Beyond technology, how do Globe's APIs and ecosystem contribute to national development in terms of empowering Filipino businesses, protecting consumers, and advancing digital inclusions?
So, good afternoon. Thank you, James, for that question. So, the Globe API ecosystem is actually a very strong commitment of Globe for national development. So, when we are able to replace, I guess, the more phishable types of security like the SMS, OTPs, with network level protection, which is silent network authentication, we are really able to fundamentally protect our consumers and our customers. And we're not just protecting them, we are actually safeguarding their hard-earned money. And also, we are able to provide them the digital confidence for them to be able to actively and confidently participate in online, digitally. And that's where everything is today, diba? And also for the enterprises, we are strategically empowering them with secure, fast connections so that they can very quickly, safely, securely roll out new offers and services that will really be able to help sustain economic growth. And as we are able to provide this protection, aligned of course with the PSP standards, being able to uplift the security standards in the country, we're really able to build a much safer, more secure digital nation for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Katie. Exciting talaga yung API ecosystem offering natin. Bea,